is right here for the Jones family, the Royce Nelson. Susan? What's the matter? Excuse me a second, please. You want to whisper something? Uh-huh. What's wrong? Oh, okay, then, what we should really do is stop the taping at this moment.
Do you just have a can?
No, we don't keep the tape in the can. We have a big box. We're going to pause for just a second. Really, we will be back, though. Off you go, quick.
Oh, okay.
We'll be back.
Is this some kind of big hit network TV show?
Okay? Okay? All right?
Thank you.
Wonderful. I'm sorry about that.
Yeah, all right.
There's certain things as parents I think you failed. You okay, darling?
Terrific.
Okay. Well, I'm sorry for the delay, but...
We can work on it.
Yeah.
Go, Bon, go.
Ready?
I'm ready.
You want to go now? What's going on here? Oh, you said go. Go. All right, here we go now.